Create a Docker image. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to create a Docker image, from installation to running your image. First, ensure Docker is installed on your machine. Next, create a Dockerfile with the necessary instructions. Build the image using the Docker build command. Verify the image has been created successfully. Run the Docker image to create a container. To begin, make sure you have Docker installed on your system. You can download it from the official Docker website. Once Docker is installed, create a file named Dockerfile in your project directory. This file contains the instructions for building your image. A basic Docker file might look like this. From Ubuntu, latest, run apt-get update and an apt-get install, ypython3, copy, /app, workdir/app, cmd, python3, app.py. After creating your Docker file, navigate to the directory in your terminal. Run the command, docker build, _image_name, to build your image. To verify your image, run the command, docker images. This will display a list of available images on your machine. To run your Docker image, use the command, docker run your_image_name. This will create a container and execute your application. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found this guide helpful in creating your own Docker image.